Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will give you a short tip on how to define a word using your web browser. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Make sure you have an internet connection in a browser, no? So it's very easy. Open a tab and then type define on the taskbar, no, of your browser, colon, let's say computer programmer. Press the enter key. So it will give you the meaning of computer programmer. Computer programmers are professionals that create instructions for computer to execute by writing and testing code that enables applications and software programs to operate successfully. That's simple. Another definition, define colon space science. Okay, so science, the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical natural world through observation, experimentation, and the testing of theories against the evidence obtained. So that's it guys, now very easy, no? Just open a new tab, type the word define colon and then the keyword, let's say computer science. So computer science is the study of the principles in use of computers. That's it, no? This is the easiest way to define a word using your web browsers, regardless Google Chrome, Mozilla, or Firefox. I hope this tip will help you a lot in your learning. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.